General Insurance Employees All India Association had its All India Working Committee meeting in Kochi on the 8th of March 2025 to discuss and deliberate on the issues confronting public sector general insurance industry and its workforce. Ex-Rajya member, former State Minister Comrade Binoy Viswam and Chairman GIEAIA while addressing the meeting vehemently opposed the move of the BJP government for allowing 100% FDI in insurance sector and raised the question of how a so-called Swadeshi government is allowing 100% FDI in insurance sector. He gave a clarion call to lage powerful agitation against this and to form a single monolithic corporation in the general insurance by merging all the PSGICs. He further said that after meeting the Honorable Finance Minister twice, he has been consistently following the Finance Minister and the senior officials of the Ministry of Finance on the issue of inordinate delay in the settlement of wage revision of PSGICs, uniform family pension at the rate of 30%, 14% employer contribution in NPS and further assured to effectively pursue the issues to its logical conclusion. The public sector general insurance companies, PSGICs, once integral to India's economic growth, are now facing unprecedented financial distress and operational challenges. Years of policy mismanagement and regulatory neglect have weakened these institutions, putting their future at risk. The government's recent proposal to further liberalize the insurance sector by increasing the foreign direct investment (FDI) limit from present 74% to 100% is a big threat to public sector insurers, potentially reducing their role in favor of private corporate interests. In this critical period, urgent policy interventions are needed to preserve the strength and stability of public sector insurers. We call on all stakeholders, including policymakers, regulators, and industry experts, to take immediate action to prevent the decline of this vital sector. The following demands and recommendations outline necessary measures to restore stability and ensure the sector's long-term viability. On 1st February 2025 during budgetary speech, the Honorable Finance Minister's proposal to increase FDI from 74% to 100% in general insurance sector is a serious threat to national economic interests. This decision is not only arbitrary and unwarranted but also poses a serious risk to the effective mobilization of resources crucial for India's economic development and the government's social responsibilities. General Insurance Employees All India Association lodged strong opposition and call for public awareness, as otherwise it would adversely affect domestic savings and would be a return to the challenges of pre-nationalization era. Late S.H. Arun Jaitley, former Honorable Finance Minister, during his budgetary speech in the year 2018 had pronounced merger of three public sector general insurance companies. However, the government reverted this decision in the next cabinet and rather passed a resolution to sell one of the four public sector general insurance companies. In the present scenario, General Insurance Employees All India Association's long-standing demand of formation of single monolithic corporation by merging all four public sector general insurance companies for a financially stronger and stable entity which can cater to the social and economic needs of the policyholders and the citizens of the country at large, has greater significance. General Insurance Employees All India Association strongly demand for merger of all four public sector general insurance companies and formation of single monolithic entity for strengthening public sector general insurance companies. GIA leaders Com Srinivas Murthy, Com Trilok Singh, Com Kumarvelu, Com Ramchandran Nair, Com Satish Jindal and ATEC Secretary of Kochi Com KN Gopi and various other comrades spoke on this occasion. In this regard, it is also pertinent to bring to the knowledge of one and all that on the 27th of February 2025 all trade unions, associations, welfare associations convened a national seminar in Constitutional Club of India, New Delhi in resolutions for opposition of government's proposal of increase in FDI from 74% to 100% and demand for merger of public sector general insurance companies was unanimously adopted. We appeal to all distinguished press personnel to publish the above news in the interests of the public sector general insurance companies, its workforce, policyholders and general citizen of the country at large. Trilok Singh, General Secretary, GIA, M told these things to our correspondent.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।